Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I'm here to solve all of these problems that I have been receiving from people saying, Esther, my friends that are floral designers and know about design tell me that I can't put even numbered flowers into a container. Well, I was raised during my training on exactly the same principles. So my question is, okay, you've got 4 perfect blooms. Perfect blooms. What? You only can use 3 of them? What are you going to do with the other? So I want to share how you can put 4s into an arrangement. Now this container I really love. It was very plain, and I decided that I didn't like it plain because it just looked like this big terracotta chimney. So I've just put a stencil pattern around the outside, and the reason why I'm using the white proteas is because of that white there. So that's just going to connect in through there. And when you look into these, you'll see the tiniest little bit of pink. And although that is terracotta, there's enough there, just a wee hinty darling bit of pinky blushy colour that actually connects in. So I'm sort of like, for any kind of design, what you need to do is you have to actually look at it and think, okay, what can I see? I can see terracotta. When I look into these, what do I say? Oh yeah, look at that. I can see little bits of pink. Actually, that could blush through to being terracotta. So now I've used some twisty willow up the top here because the branches of my proteas are dark. So there's a thick, round, smooth form. You might not even see it, but the beauty of using willow or sticks is it takes the design up. Now to connect in with the willow, I've used a couple of pieces of salal. Now you can go whichever way you want with these. Now I've taken them down, and I've taken 2 up, 1 out to the side, 1 over the side, and I've drooped those down to the front. The reason I did that is with the foliage, I'm getting a balancing, I'm getting some calm, I'm getting some connection, so that what happens is the eye hits this, it does a wee whiz around that, and it's like, oh cool, that's a nice pattern, isn't it? You don't really look into it, but it's really quite nice to have just that texture. And then the leaves up here, just it's like the stage to set your flowers. Right, so we've got 4 of these. Easy. This is what I do. 1, step them down. 2, 3. Oops, the leaf fell off. And with the 4th one, and I'll show you what I'm doing in a minute. Now look at that. Look at that. 4 flowers displayed. It's not my best work, but I tell you what, it's okay. But just remember that spacing down, and just remember, if you were a fairy and you were walking down big giant flower steps, that you would have that equal distance between your placement. And the other rule of thumb is 1.5 times the height or the width of the container, whichever is the greater. This is tall, so by taking it up, problems are solved. I hope you've enjoyed this, because I've enjoyed sharing all my little tips and tricks that I want to just pass on. Have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.